Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still a boy Taylor DJ. So we are back with another album review. So it's album, I'm a legend. La.
Oh.
Dream Men's Cup, la. Abafana Bale Cup, la. So we have album being a Creole album. So today in studio, I'm joined by Umsakazi, the artist, the producer. So I think maybe on our influence from these guys. Dream Men's Cup because we've been for 24 years. Producer, welcome to Speaker Now, Brand.
I'm good, bro. How are you?
I'm trend. Get busy la because ngibona ngathi hey lamanje aqopha umlando because amagroup amaningi aphelele endleleni. We had the Squatter Camp, we had the Tear Gas, we had the Hidden Force, we had the Morafe. Bonke baphelele endleleni.
Baphelile abasabonakala.
Abasabonakala bakhona ezama solos akhona but asawabona ama projects because I think it was 2023 Squatter Camp iske sazama ukubuya back but abantu basibuthika. No one was interested in album. So mhlambe wena ngiqale ngawo before i-album
okay
amajita lawa because unika wahlala naseKapa injani influence abo Eastern Cape nase Cape Town because mina ngibazela from KZN mhlambe wena unesathe different
no lamajita lawa yana what I love about them ne ukupusha nje kwabo baya yabona Cape ne iqophela ba umculo wonke umuntu ufuna ucula but bona instead of ba umuntu azenzela isolo athini bona they kept united like babambene nje all the time. That's what I liked about them. Bona nje abanayo lantu bana now ndine beef nodla umzekelo bona no beef nodla une beef no Redondo no abanayo lonto ibeef yabo ngathi ibeef on Facebook xa ndibabona xa ndibalandelela but they are playing akusiyo beef thina as a fans so landela siqomba hey udla ubeef nobani kanti no.
So maybe before siqale i-review album ithini take yakho maybe ngale ukuthi uEl Nino ngasi part of igroup mhlawumbe indlela ahambe ngayo ufila kanjani ezumlandeli we-Dream?
That wasn't good at all. Like seriously, those guys were great and I'm not saying abeko right ne ngekhoy but the time ekono El Nino bebe bumbene kakhulu more than
so ufila ngathi khona something
ngathi khona something elekishayo ngokwangekho El Nino uyamqaphela bona voice yakhe idweni incinci nje kamnandi so kweza hooks and stuff but it's fine bayazenza nangoku
and life yaqhubeka because ngeke ngayibona interview ayenza El Nino this year khona i-podcast aseKapa lapha ne-New Wave podcast aseKapa ukwenza interview nawo washo side lakhe le story because amajita kuyafika last year aba ne-interview and uyabona ukuthi no ikhona leyo tension ekhona but abadisanga ngalo ndlela
bayikhipha under carpet
but uyabona akhona ama issues akhona but asekwi album mhlambe mina ngizoqala mhlambe ngengoma ekuyona engithande kakhulu i-album because i-album into engiyithandile ngayindlela abayi-marketing ngayo like iphume ama-single because sekuna le fashion engekho right lama rappers ukuthi bevele bedrop ama-album without ama-announcement
after two
bezenza uDrake kuphela ngenza lonto le so bona i-role athi yabo ngiyithandile because baphusha music belobe be-introduce kubantu bakhipha ama-single bashutha ama-music video then beza ne-album ne-album bathatha i-pace yabo beyithatha so ingoma yokuqala mina engiyithandile inamba inamba yona lezi ngoma ephuma ne-album bengaphumanga before yiphi mhlawumbe wena ingoma like
yabona ingoma engiqonde ndiye ndayithanda like lokho okoko iphumile album liyimamela Brother Love or Bro Love one of the tracks
it is one of the song I feel like khona message lapha directed to
message deep kakhulu
iverse lika Beast lapha no lapha uthi ulahlelwe i-best friend yakhe and i-best friend yakhe yathena into amanye ama-habits and stuff so they fell off
deep
I think wena umuntu ohate kakhulu ngalento yabo yokuhlukana uMen B because uyi-co-founder
Nino uyabona so that is why yena yabo i-delivery yakhe nawe uyayiva phayana ba ungene deep imhlaba ngaphakathi yabo so I think that is why ndiyithanda kakhulu la way because nami ndiyarelate kula way yabo so
now namajita asalendleleni
namajita asalendleleni and ayeka kwa music yabo ngahlala ndiyisolo artist yayibona so that is why ndiyithanda kakhulu la track le and ne verse yakhe uBeast bra
And another thing ngifuna ukuthi si discuss kule album yabo because kudala ba drop and the sound ishintshile hip hop even nendlela drop release ngayo yonke into ishintshile. So what do you think about the sound album? Kuma sulalele yonke sicompare because ingoma zabo zi unique ngalendlela afani like zinama direction ahlukene.
Yes.
Bayibambile kulelo side lelo.
Bayibambile sound. Yabona i sound yabo kuqala ibi more isiphaza isiyasi deep. Yabona right now they are switching to hip hop but in a smart way. Yabo abayi a west that much. Bahleli apha eMzansi yabo. Even though they are switching to a west but bayibambe both sides.
And basusha ama direction
because
there's one song I know the element ekwaito inama piano phakathi inelo drum.
Exactly.
And there's also another song engathi hip hop lezi ngoma ezodlala ku Heart FM
uyayibona
947 no East Coast Radio lezi ngoma zabelungu so yini I think le ngoma
hip hop liphupha
I think nayo isanda khona so I think ngakwi sound bayibambile ke
bayibambe kakhulu ilento endiyithandayo ke ngami nditshoyo ba even though bayithathile west but bayithathile nelside la lapha eMzansi like ba in between. That's what I like.
But isiphaza sikhona le album
sikhona isiphaza
sikhona because there's one song engizwile eno P Dot abona le ngoma I think izothandwa kakhulu abantu abawo MC because inale ya rap yokubeklisha yona so I think that is one of the song I go home
I go home
ano ngithandile ke lo kulabo rap aba rap I think lana bazophuma nawo but ingoma zabe ningi zi unique ngalendlela njalo ngoma ngisho inamba I think inamba single emile ye-radio because mawuyizwa ngidlala i-commercial yazi le ngoma le i-ready for ukudlala i-radio playlist and clean ayinanhlamba ayinastaff athi ke ngithandile ke leyo ngoma mhlambe siye kwelinye side mhlambe le direction yama features what do you think about ama features akhona umuphi umuntu odeliver labantu ababizile for ama features because banama features awekho maningi but akhona
akhona wona but yabona I'll go with since a newcomer yabo uyafika kumculo and stuff but wapusha kakhulu Holy Alpha yabo Holy Alpha umntwana lo wana
I think amajita amaningi Holy Alpha ngababeka ngaphansi ngamavisi
kakhulu
maningi amajita kawahlula ngokurap la
yabona umntwana lo ndithandile i-feature bamfake lamntwana lo wana and ne delivery yakhe uNtswempu like ayingaba babantu bafike ikhona lanto subs uqonda ba uyile studio ne you are featured on a track but then xa ufikayo phayana uyayirehearse endlini le verse yakho but mawufika e-studio ngoku iswitche ibe nenye energy ngabiyo la energy lo mntwana yena xa ifikayo same energy even though ngamboni ba urehearse njani endlini but you can tell man kwa pha etrackini ba unwabile uyadeliver nje lewe yabo
even ubuka music video khona indlela akajela nawo ama because ama OG yakhe lana but indlela ka rapper nayo like
ngathi nje khule nabo
ngathi member of the group awutswempu umprove le point laphana and there's also another feature ka Bravo laphana Bravo ke bekuyena umuntu ede waphusha amajita because ispotlight bese sikuyena la and basho zakhe bengabona amajita bekhula lapha so I think omunye umuntu ocontribute ukuthi kuwele album because amajita la
may his soul rest in peace that guy
akukho mnandi ubuya le album iphuma without Bravo because
I just wish kwi music videos yabo even noba akekho kulo track but I just wish banga captureisha eza moments bebonke like bamane
because they short music video ephambili uBravo khona lapho ephumeza single ngayo so I think omunye umuntu ezoba happy ubona iDre ibuya because abantu abaningi ngabe besingasayilindele album after so many years
bese ngithi behlukene amajita
nambe ngine show time no album ayisizi la but ngithandile lo feature there's also another feature ule ngoma leti ngisho le iphupho le khona into feature isho la i-chorus maziqana nokuzwa
uNtswempu bengiqala umuva nami and I had to focus kuyo yabo uNtswempu la feature leyana even though ndingamazi ke but maybe sisiqalo sakhe okanye beqala okanye bevela
but uNtswempu
yena
and it's also i-DO late ine storytelling yazi iDre idume ngalezo ngecards esiphaza izona ngoma ke so what do you think about uDO late
yabona ku-DO late I feel like there's this guy nguBisto right I think nguBisto nguBisto lo ndeliver leyo naye phayana yeah nodla udilivile ne but uBeasto andimazi usewa ane verses as emotional too much yabo so amajita andazi noba ndimamele kakuhle na tasabza but amajita wena ndimamele I feel like even no Redondo be une story se Oledi maybe like Chaya, I don't know but no Beasto no Dlanje
yeah but I think uyadla Oledi
lisaphile
judging from ama lyrics so lamajita o2 ama sad stories
ba sad kakhulu yeah
ngisanda storytelling saleyo ngoma le so maybe moving forward ikhona lapha ngoma I call you inane music video le na ithi thanda uba soft inyano inyana what do you think about leyo sound yabo le
phayana andazi noba mhlawumbi they were trying kulanto ndiyitshoyo bebezama mhlawumbi the west style besithini but ndiyayithanda yona ne I love it I really love it but in terms of la softness yabo I don't think iyabafanela ngoba soft
yeah wena ba raw kakhulu sibazi ngale ngendlela yabo ba raw because yakhumula I think first time ngizwa ngeGrey from KZN it was after I discovered Iswata came
yes
then they come with this song like heavy ngale ndlela lithi siphume eGugulethu
siphume eGugulethu
every time ngizwa bona ngidabanga lo energy because aggressive ngalo ndlela so mase ngibezwe
babuye babesoft
soft kanjena but no yawathanda amavesi no I think leyo mhlawumbe nabantu abo labo abantu abosisi bazoyithanda
bazoyithanda yeah abantu abongosisi
kahle ibhalele bona lena but ke thina is ama rap amafene rap asizwa kahle maybe mhlawumbe mase so compare ama album because awekho maningi banama album amathathu what do you think about iTrio maybe ba drop standard noma anyukile amajit
no banyukile yabo kuTrio banyukile kuTrio ikhona ugqabukile inyongo I'm not sure about enye leyana man but yeah ikhona enye album then ikhona lethi igqabukile inyongo then be iTrio
igqabukile inyongo ilokuqala
yeah iTrio is the best for me let me put it like that apha kum iyona iTrio ndiyivayo kakhulu why ndisitsho it's because qala bebesiphaza begxile kwisiphaza that kakhulu and ke ngoku most yabantu buyafumanisa abasithanda isiphaza bonke abantu yabo sinabantu baso isiphaza uyofika nobudlala endlini isiphaza umuntu afike awunazi ingoma zo Drake awunazo o Chris Brown yabo into ezinjalo
bafuna ingoma eCrap
bafuna ezangoma yabo but ngoku lamajita anazo zonke piano like ikwaito
khosa
nje konke nje yabo badibanisi
siphaza ikhona irap ikhona iCrap
yonke nje
it's over
yes
that is very
yabo ikhona yonke into phayana uyifumana kuTrio so I would say ba improvile kakhulu
and also there is a guy lapha kule ngoma it's over Lura ukhona
Lura yes
amahook amanye amahook ngiyaqala ukuzwa ngaye ke naye baningi abantu engibadiscover kule album so I think album ihlangene kakhulu so as speaker nawe siyathanda mase le album si rate ke maybe out of 10 sinikeza bani iTrio yamajita
I would give them let me give him
because inengoma ezu13 azikho ningi kakhulu because on the show sawathanda amalibhaba amanengo so only 13 songs and ba group I feel like be khona kuba lazy nyana
babe lazy that is why benzothi I would give them 9 I mean 8.5
I think nangabanikeza u7
alright
I think bebengasikeza more
bebenayo ability babasinike more
enye into engithanda album yabo because mina ngumuntu oyifan ama projects ngiyathanda maleli album isound like album yabo le yabi album in the intro in the interlude in the outro
yabo
so uyakwazi ulalela album yayizo noma siphela even uyilalela without uthi mhlawumbe uyibhela kufona ulalela uzenzela into zakhe endlini uyalalela okay album siyaphela because abanye sebevele be drop ama album ethuthi isound like ngathi amasingle awu12 abo asikho structure so lento bayibambileke
bona bayibambile because abantu baninzi the reason why kulondo leyo into eliyifumanisile abantu xa be drop albums ngomuntu ugokelela kweza singles zakhe avelathi athi nzenze
and uthi uyasichisa athi mase silalela iyazwana thini this one is not making sure so ngithandile lo ndlela nane comeback yabo nje in 2026
behavior
I know I think bekunto esingasayilindele so as ama fan sibe happy kakhulu sibona album le hopefully amajita azoshutha maybe more music videos
be push
bengayekeli
bangayeki because yabona bakwi-socials kakhulu ngoku kunakuqala yabona bagcwele kwi-socials
ngibone naku-Twitter
i-reels
I think bane-page
yabo.
edition ngibabone ku-Twitter
Yeah.
so I think bayaphusha I think i-team behind bona nje bayaphusha even nane music video leyana ye-welcome to the crew like benza sure bathatha abantu step by step la kuba kwenzakalana ngithande kakhulu i-rollout yabo
strategy sabo sintswemi
indlela ebeza ngayo belo bephusha album this week iskip singing ba release date until kuze kushawo May bebenza something so I think indlela bayenzileke lapho hopefully bazowathola ama show beperforma maybe sibabone beperforma nala ngo Eastern Cape because ngeze kuthiwa uRondo umthito waqhuma ngeze kuthiwa
and ikhona i-line kadla I think udla
winamba
kwinamba mention uqumbu
I thought I was hearing things manje zoqumbu ngeke lezi impossible
itsho nje isigubhu nizana soqumbu okanye isigubhu siza nami qumbu
I think
something like
uRondo waqumbu lo munye wagatshana I think udla and then the other guy was
I'm not sure about Anmazo
ukhona lale ishilo ngekhohla lelali bathi Samuel
but balapha Eastern Cape
so ama route abo ala so yeah no shout out
those guys. I just wish you all the best guys and ingahle bangabisagxila kwi-beef bangangeni in fact kwawungena kwinto ene-beef phakathi i-beef ayikhulisi i-beef into ene-beef ayikhulisi ayisikwa ndawo
sayithanda i-beef kule show we are all about our numbers clickbait because what if El Nino mase group album yakho because now uThozo group like this what if
what if uyabuyisa ke bazothini ke inyana
but if ufila ngathi bambeefa kule ngoma iBrula because mina I feel like khona indlela bamphoka lapha bamphoka but uBisto beshisa idlakhe le story now uthabo
maybe yena maybe
ufila ngathi ubetray yena nje ngifila ngawo ufila ngathi umjida mhlebo ubetray iphupho labo but uBisto El Nino I think nala ekhona happy
maybe happy na okanye uzayiva ngenye indlela but I think indlela yothi buya back bra yabo leyana I think so
I don't think there is a comeback after interview lakhe ngibe ku New Wave
lamajita
but I'm happy for amajita na la ngiyaqhubeka ewodwa ninayo so El Nino nayo
kuba kubumke oyiwani
na masiphubile sophinde simlalele because useyipart of victory
useyipart
I think so ivala khona la so speaker nawe anyway sekhona ku Twitter ethi speaker nawe sikhona na ku Facebook speaker nawe TikTok speaker nawe show so shout out thanks to uPrudi ukuthi sivashele ku speaker nawe so hlaza le album because I feel like la majita ane impact enkulu kunawo wonke umuntu when it comes to ama group laba khona I feel like impact yabo yabankulu even though abantu masibeshaya nabona maybe ababhubhanga le because i-rap iziyalenda ngo-2014 la majita igroup ayiqala ngoba-2001
kade bekhona
so I think ngibona abantu baphazilile but mase benefit ababenefitanga njengamanye amajita
but ingabo bazame kakhulu and bashizilile straight bona
so umuntu wezemva kwaba indlela silula because
imagine before we close there was cruise Cape Town backyard on and kukhona legends bayana onqilike obani they were rapping nabo abantu but ke abanye ke basweleka and stuff but backyard yaphela. Why? Because these new members is second. Yabona that is why in city bona ndithanda lantu bakhange bafe xa ihambayo El Nino. Bona baqomba okay, let's just do what.
Nano uthi yona group yakade yaziwa because mina as I'm saying from KZN in Pietermaritzburg go Bergville we only knew about
Instruments
because abe visible kuba music video ko Sky Room live like all live I think say one dala baba khona so I think ibona abantu abaphusha lento bayiphusha ngalendlela ukuthi ikwazi ukuba attractive even kubantu abangekho Eastern Cape nabantu abase-Cape Town so I think yona group ePV iwe kakhulu for isichaza
kakhulu
and I'm happy ukuthi album yabo ihlanganise wonke ama sound ingasound isichaza
thanda le album bra thanda
I think mina ingomeni ngisazothanda mase demo ngilalela but okwamanje nje bengisathanda lezi ngoma ezombala because isound kakhulu different so I think it's
different in the bahita hard with let difference yakhona like zonke verse akho verse uqonda ba ngahle kabe iqalele ke lo ngahle mhlawumbe and I think lamajita ayazenza rehearsals most ye cruise into ezingayenziyo yabo lamajita ngokumamela i-album yawo uyabona mosiba before kuyiwe studio kanye before ku recordwe ba rehearse bathini wonke umuntu wayiva iverse kabani kulungiswane here and there amajita awayenzi lonto leyo
abasound bayakhompitha kwingoma
yeah yabo
omunye mayerapha kakhulu omunye nthutha ka rap
Yeah.
especially uRondo uphinde ibe nama flow
Yabo, yes.
aka rap na no rap so but I think udla ungiprove wrong kule album I was rap
rap
was rap I think aqala uthola i-chance
Yeah, kahle,
because
kahle.
yabo mabese bawo4 bebekhuluma
Ebengenayo,
ezinye
yabo.
ingoma umunye akekho ezinye ukhona so lana bekumele wonke umuntu edelive
Yo.
on every track
awuraphile udla
awuraphile I know
Awuraphile straight.
ngizwile yeah but shout out to Amajita so
yeah
speaker nawe we out
thank you
yinde bethi